Professor Davis. Do you have a moment?
Hello, John. What can I help you with?
I'm working on my research paper for biology because I'm having trouble finding another journal effect about marine ecosystem convention in the campus library.
I see. Have you read the online database? We subscribe the Bisquincy journals online. It has a much wider collection than our physical library.
I didn't know about that is accessible from off campus.
Yes, you just need to log in with your student ID. Let me read down the 5-step process.
That worked great. Thank you.